गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय ब्लॉग द ब्लू बियर्ड ट्रैवलर। मैं लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए अ ब्यूटीफुल होटल लोकेटेड इन कलंगूट, सोमाई प्लाजा। दैट्स राइट, दिस इज प्रीवियसली कॉल्ड एज सोमाई रिजॉर्ट कलंगूट, नाउ कॉल्ड एज सोमाई प्लाजा। लेट मी क्विकली टेक यू अराउंड। ये रिसेप्शन, यहाँ पे शानदार लाइब्रेरी एरिया, एंड देन देयर इज अ स्पा, एंड देन यू हैव सम डिस्काउंट्स एट द ऑसम स्पा. You have a common washroom for the boys and the girls, and there's a big living space where you can sit, relax. 4-star luxury hotel located in Kalangut Main Road. Superior AC rooms, huge rooms. These are around 37-38 square meter rooms, huge rooms with a balcony. You have a seating area, you have a study table, work table where you can work from. A huge space where you can keep your luggage, hang clothes. Amazing, बहुत ही बड़ा कमरा है, by God. These are really big rooms. Clean washrooms with all amenities. You will find a place to hang clothes, dry your clothes, luggage rack, a cupboard with a safe, tea coffee maker, and a set of instructions which says please इसमें खाना ना बनाएं. That's very common here. People would come and cook. Welcome to category number 2. This is the family room. This is the family suite with living room. Huge room. This is around 42 square meter. You have a luggage rack, electronic safe, bathrobes, again tea coffee makers, and a huge space. This is a separate area room which almost every room has. They've built it in a way for comfort. Huge spacious bathrooms. 42 square meter means it's almost double the size of an average 3 or 4-star room in Goa. Average rooms are around 20 by square meter, and this comes with a balcony. Welcome to category number 3, which is the pool suite or pool view suite. You have a workstation with a seating area. Sofa है यहाँ पे आपके comfort के लिए with TV. You have a mini bar and tea coffee maker. Luggage rack with place to hang your clothes. Again, you have your electronic safe and all amenities. Clean washrooms और एक बहुत बड़ा bed. Now this room is around 51 square meter and इसकी 2 balconies हैं. ये रूम के थ्रू बालकनी है, which is again you can see the pool from there. Both the balconies you can access, ये वाली यहाँ से and वो वाली through the living area near the workstation. You can access it from there. अब आते हैं मुद्दे पे, खाना. भैया खाना यहाँ का बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. You have a buffet style system for breakfast, and then you can order a la carte, and then multi cuisine restaurant, open air restaurant है, बहुत ही सुंदर है. बारिशों में तो बहुत ही मज़ा आता है. Sit by the pool with a little bit of rain. I was lucky enough to come here. It was raining a little, and what is a view, by God. आप सोचो बारिशों में इतना क्लीन ब्लू पानी किसी होटल के रेस्टोरेंट का देखा है आपने? You will not find it. Such a well-maintained hotel and such a well-maintained restaurant with a bar which is poolside. Just amazing. What else do you want? Just amazing. Great ambience and good food. You can order Indian, Conti and couple of other menus and cuisines over here. There are some live counters that happen. They do food festival. Beach mein you'll find some posters of food festivals here. There's a Pakoda Fest that's happening over here. Good fun and good place to be in. And now I'm bringing it to a very important and critical space. This is a conference hall. So should you want to do your conferences here, this is for corporates. Conferences, banquet spaces, you want to do a wedding here, you want to host a small function, family ke liye, celebrate an anniversary. This is an indoor venue where you can, just chill, relax, have a DJ party over here, give out awards for your employees, plan your future business. बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. So you have an indoor banquet space that you can use for work as well. You know what to do. For Somai Resort, Somai Plaza, Kalangut, you need to just give me a call at 8171999631. Tauno has been bringing great hotel stays as a sales office, as a hotel team, as a hotel outlet for you since record 9 years now. Call us, WhatsApp us, and we're there for you. बॉस यहाँ तक आ गया हो तो प्यार तो बनता है. You know what to do. You need to like, share and subscribe. and we will make your journey happen. Thank you for spreading the love. We are close to hitting about 2000 followers on my channel, Bluebeard Traveler. Make it happen, guys. Thank you.